Hello, everybody. This is Jared Allen here with a severe weather update. We do have the potential for some pretty significant snow. I'm not used to saying snow. Severe weather for our area. Welcome to our live broadcast here. We'll get you up to date on the weather situation. There is the potential for some severe weather, which is going to affect our area. That will be happening later on today into this evening, and we'll kind of give you a breakdown as to what is going to be happening as far as severe weather across our area. So let's do this real quick. We'll do this, and we'll give you kind of a breakdown. Well, first things first, I'm going to remove myself from the screen here just because it makes it easier to see what is going to be happening. But just a few moments ago, the National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for portions of northern Iowa. This flood watch includes Worth, Winnebago, Hancock, Kossuth, Humboldt counties. Cerro Gordo County is also in this flood watch. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible for portions of northern into west central Iowa, including Cerro Gordo, Hancock, Humboldt, Kossuth, Winnebago, Worth, Emmett, Palo Alto, Pocahontas, Calhoun, Crawford, and Sac counties. That's in effect from 3 o'clock this afternoon through 1 o'clock Thursday. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Many creeks and streams are running high and could rise out of their banks with more heavy rain. That just coming in from the National Weather Service in Des Moines. So let's take a look at the area. If you fill in these counties, see that pretty much covers all of northern Iowa. There is a flood watch also in effect for Mitchell County and into southern Minnesota as well. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's going on here. Let's check the chat room here. Obviously, there's the flood watch in effect. From Jeff at the National Weather Service. Hello, we pushed out our updated river forecast, the forecast for streams and the Mississippi River drainage. Roughly the northeast 2/3 of our service area will capture some pretty significant rainfall. So basically, they're talking about flooding for northern Iowa. But there is also the potential for some severe weather as we kind of take a look at this is the high resolution rapid refresh, which it's a computer model that talks about the potential. They use this for convection, which is like for severe weather. So taking a look at composite reflectivity, you've got obviously we had some thunderstorms move through the area earlier today, which those have kind of moved into southern Minnesota. But storms are expected to redevelop here this afternoon. We're looking at about 2 o'clock. We've got potentially severe storms here in Winnebago and northwest Hancock and Kossuth counties. That's 2 o'clock today. But I'm going to jump ahead to a later model. See, this goes into 4 o'clock Thursday. Let's go all the way back here. So, okay, now we're at, this is obviously a rapid refresh model, so things have changed since then. So now we're at 1 o'clock Wednesday, 2 o'clock. You see some popcorn thunderstorms that have developed. Then by 3 o'clock, you've got thunderstorms in Winnebago and Hancock and Kossuth counties of our listening area. Those will continue through the 4 o'clock hour, 5 o'clock. You even got some isolated severe cells in this area. And those will continue through the evening. And then you got another round of rain after midnight tonight. And you got more scattered rainfall occurring across the area on Thursday through Thursday morning. Now, if we go to the total precipitation amount, you can kind of tell, okay, 70 hundredths of an inch, but look at Winnebago counties. You've got 2.5 inches of rain with thunderstorms that move through. This is kind of a reason as to why there's a flood watch in effect. Obviously, this will change. It just depends on when severe weather will affect the area. But as of right now, as you can see, this whole area here is under the yellow area is under a slight risk of severe weather. We've got that flood watch that's in effect. Let's just take a look at rainfall over the last 12 hours. As you can see, significant rainfall to the southwest of Des Moines. We're looking at over 4.5, 5.5 inches of rainfall across that area. There was a flash flood warning in effect for that area earlier today. So that kind of gives you an idea as to where a lot of that weather is going to be occurring. So let's just go back here to the computer model. We've got significant rainfall across that area. Let's take a look at some of the other potentials for severe thunderstorms across the northern Iowa area. Yeah, as you can see, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock this evening, a round goes through, then another round after the midnight hour tonight. So be prepared for severe weather. Could see some of that. Of course, you can listen to local weather coverage on the radio stations listed at the bottom of the screen. I'll be on the air this afternoon on 107.3. I'm currently on the air on 103.1 KHAM out of Britt. And I'll be on KIOW this afternoon, and we'll keep you informed with the latest weather information. But yes, there is the potential for some severe weather. We've got the potential for some significant flooding and rainfall across our area throughout the day into the evening tonight. So basically, stay safe. Only a slight risk of severe weather. So not everybody's going to see severe thunderstorms throughout the area here. But let's just I'm going to throw up the slight risk map. There you go. That kind of gives you an idea of what they are talking about for this evening, 3 to 10 p.m. time frame, slight risk of severe thunderstorms, possible damaging winds, heavy rain, tornadoes, small hail, also all possible. This is from the National Weather Service in Des Moines, a report from them. Let's see, what other things can I share with you here? This is for this afternoon into tonight, but then we go into Thursday. There's also potential for some severe weather. This should actually say not Friday. It should say Thursday, 2 to 10 p.m. Is when that is going to be taking place. You can see the motion there to the east, 30 miles per hour. Damaging winds, heavy rain, and maybe some hail during the day on Thursday. This is the river flooding threat. This is excessive rainfall. Yellow areas are on a slight risk of excessive rainfall for the day today and Thursday, which pretty much encompasses the entire area of where the flood watch is in effect. So that kind of gives you an idea as to what you can expect weather-wise across our area. Here is the wind potential and the tornado potential, very possible in the green areas. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible in the yellow areas. Large hail doesn't really seem to be much of a concern this time around. So those are some graphics I wanted to share with you. Those, of course, compliments of the National Weather Service in Des Moines. So that gives you kind of an idea as to what is happening across the northern Iowa area here. We'll keep you informed, of course, with the latest weather information here on these social media platforms. Everybody stay safe. The National Weather Service has got that flood watch in effect for all of northern Iowa. That flood watch, of course, is in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through Thursday afternoon for pretty much all of northern Iowa. So stay safe wherever you are. We'll keep you up to date with the latest weather information right here on the Weather Iowa platform.